Yes, and now you know what I was talking about with this. How did you make this?
Hell no!
Here's Gaz, by the way, guys. This is Gaz Whiter. And this, I don't understand. So it's just like an equal length manifold, right?
Yeah, tried to get it the same length. And it's in firing order?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, right.
So it sounds like it's revving its tits off, but it's not.
Yeah.
It's just chugging away.
And by the way, this is Big T. He's the man behind the magic here.
So Greg Smith, the local guy in Dargle, actually built all this for us.
Yeah, right.
Nice job.
Yeah, it's freaking nuts. Like I hate V8s, but this thing does.
I hate them too.
Yeah.
But I can still drift because I've got one of those.
Yeah, you're right. And here I am watching because I got an RB. Oh, here's Groovetown too.
Don't worry about us.
He's another genius behind this whole program.
You're dead right, Squid.
Oh man. And he literally come from the UK where you won Drift Shifters, correct? Yeah. So he won the last Mad Mike Summer Bash, got the invite to the UK to do Drift Shifters, won that, and now he's back at the Summer Bash to hopefully win again.
There's a fluke.
I don't think so. I've seen the footage. There's no fluke. It's because of this man here, wasn't it? Wasn't it? Yeah.
Fell asleep at driver's briefing, bro.
Oh,
28-hour flight. And he just couldn't make it.
Oh man. Alright, we'll cut to some footage of this crazy machine now. Righto boys. Okay, who's...
If you change that to a V, it'd basically be V8 M3.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to do that.
We're too far down the path.
We're way too far. Way too
What to
far.
do when you dug a whole Squid is just stop digging.
Alright, so this is Gaz Whiter, this is his hilarious freaking crew. Sam White's the great.
It's a bad time, Jake. We've got
Yeah, no, you're right. That's cool. No, we don't have to do it. That's fine.
Yeah, no, it's good.
That's all good. So, I'm the annoying dude that's hit up Gaz right before the competition. But you're not going to work on the car, mate. Oh, yeah.
I'm not going to do it. I don't know what I'm doing.
What's your trade?
Chipping.
Oh, yeah. So, Gaz the chippy. So, Tony's the head mechanic behind this whole operation. Now, let's just do a real quick build breakdown.
Yeah.
Engine. What is it exactly? Because I told him that it's an LS2.
It's out of a Ford Cortina.
Oh, is it?
So we've got to put up with it?
Yeah.
It's just a basic. At the moment, it's a fucking.
What's wrong with that?
It's using all one of them. It is an LS3. It's just got rods, pistons, crank, and factory heads.
Yep.
And it's boosting 4 pound with the Arrow, and it makes about 480 kilowatt at the wheel.
Wow.
With heaps of torque. I was like, it's like come out of the motor.
It's out of the breather.
Oh, that's alright. Ask Jake what that's about.
Oh, we know, bro. We've all had an RB.
That's nothing.
Just drain it back. I used to have it drained from my breather back to the sump.
That's back in the 98 days. You can't do that with the 85 now.
Oh, yeah.
Gaz has been nice enough to offer me a ride in this. I'm honestly a little bit worried.
Get you to the other side, mate.
Yeah.
I'll dig you out of that hole.
Well, let's see how I react to it. We'll go with that. So, ECU then?
Yeah, Link ECU.
Link ECU?
I've always run a Link ECU from day one, so
Yep.
they've been good to us. But it's pretty basic. It's wet sun, so nothing flash there.
Yeah, right.
Heads are just factory, but they've just got roller rockers.
Yep.
Just a real basic upgrade. And that's it. That's real simple.
So can we go to the clutch?
Yeah, it's got an extreme clutch, obviously.
Yep.
I think you run these two.
Nah, not anymore. Used to.
Awesome clutch, I've never had an issue with it.
Yep.
Even back in the SR days, when I had like sort of 500-600
Yep.
kilowatt SRs, they were the go-to. So
Twin blade?
twin blade,
Yeah, twin blade, yeah.
But it feels nice. It's sprung in a way that it feels like a factory car, so it's really easy to drive.
They do make them really light on the pedal.
Yeah, they do, but they quite up good. So
Yep.
yeah.
As we're about to find out. So then we go to the inside. Oh, you run an AccuSump?
AccuSump, yeah,
Yep.
just to try and keep it. Poor man's dry sump.
Yeah.
But it seems to work.
Big bad G-force?
G-force, can't go wrong with one of them.
No, you can't.
They're pretty hard to break and they're so easy to work on. Like
Yep.
the old man just strips it, sort of, you know, every sort of third round and has
Yep.
a look. You can pull them apart easy. The bearings aren't pressed or anything. So it makes it pretty basic. Yeah, everything else is just, it's got a nice boat switch there.
Or it's got a 10-lit
And that's about it. And it's got a Winters diff in there, which is...
Oh,
easy.
Winters! Another one! Hell, you've got that sitting really high, man.
Yeah, that's the old man.
How the hell have you done that?
Oh, he likes to get the axles as straight as possible. So I think that's the key in not breaking shit. Is, you know, under load, you don't want them flying up
Yep.
so high. So Tony got it right up and then we had to chop the floor a little bit.
Wow.
So you can't really tell because of the...
Yep. And this is obviously oil cooler?
no, that's a supercharger.
Oh, yeah.
water
Okay.
cooler.
I have no idea about superchargers. I don't even know.
It seems to work well.
I don't even know they needed a cooler, to be honest. I have no
It's
idea.
on there.
And then
I
obviously,
was a builder.
then obviously radiator, all Phoenix gear.
The whole lot's Phoenix.
Yep.
Yeah, they're good to us. Adrian looks after us really well. So it was turned on.
You're right. That's what I want to see anyway.
It's cool, we really want to do a set of holes. Can you do that or not?
Yeah, it's got some ducks in there just to try and get some.
Oh, so these go into the front of that.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the idea with that.
I was wondering how that cooled, but all good.
It does have fans in there as well.
Yep.
Cut all that out just to make it easier for your shock change. Yeah, it's actually quite good having that. It's rough, but I need to do it properly.
That's good.
Arms, it's just part shop mix stuff in the rear. I've always run that for probably 10 years. So
And the lock on the front, that's part shop back?
that's wise strap in the front.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I went to that last year. I didn't actually like it to start with, but you just get used to it.
Yeah, it grows on you.
There's not too much adjustment in it. It's just one of those things you just get used to.
Yep.
That's the key in drifting. No one's got the right answer. And don't listen to too many people, especially if you've been doing it like 16 years. You just get your own idea of things, and it seems to work pretty well.
No, awesome, man. Well, I'm a little bit nervous to go for a spin, to be honest, but
Don't be.
are you ready to go?
You'll convert, mate.
Are you ready to go?
I'm always ready.
Oh, I gotta get a suit on. We gotta do this. Thanks, guys.
Holy crap. Can you get in around that?
Yeah.
Hey, brother! What's the side one? What's that? There's no harness in here, Squid. You just gotta hold on.
Oh, okay. Oh, thank you, bro. That is freaking nuts. No shot.
All good.
Mate, I'm missing out on so much torque. It is ridiculous, man.
It is a bit stupid, eh, the torque that they've got.
I just can't believe how much it hooks up.
Once
I thought
the tyres
if you...
get hot, eh?
Hey?
Once you warm them up,
Yeah.
it's away, yeah.
Like, I just thought, if you got torque, you're just going to cheese the tyres.
Nah, it hooks up. That's
No.
on 30 pound too. That's not even gripped up.
Oh my god.
It goes, eh, Squid?
Oh. But like, it's not even a big V8.
Nah. LS3.
It's just like a mint balance.
Yeah. And the grip power level is like perfect.
Yeah. you can
Again,
just
it's like you just it's not like breaking loose or anything.
Yeah, it's not sitting on limiter, it's just freaking...
Man.
That was nuts, bro. Thank you, eh?
all good.
Thank you. Oh, man.
You should feel when it's gripped up.
I don't think I want to.
It
want
feels
one.
like you're a
Excuse
bit
me,
harder
bro.
on it,
Oh,
you know?
sorry.
You got to drive it a bit harder,
Yeah.
but it's very, I don't know, you got to throw it so hard into a corner and then you feel like you're making a mistake, but you're kind of not.
You got to commit, eh?
You got to commit or you'll come up way short.
Thank you, man. That was so good. Honestly. Oh, man.
I knew you'd like that.
Hey?
I knew you'd like that.
Oh. I'm a bit lost for words, to be honest. Because it just makes you rethink everything you do. It really does.
Spit it out, Squid. Spit it out. I want to get a V8.
Nah. Nah. Nah.
Can you at least say you don't hate this one?
I can't hate it. Even if I wanted to, I can't now. Yeah, I have always had a soft spot for it using that exhaust manifold, but man, it just changed my whole aspect on V8s.
It sounds like it's revving, but it's not.
Yeah.
I think
That was tricking me too.
Yeah.
I'm like, whoa man, look over. Oh man, it's not even rhythm. Oh,
We came in pretty hot, eh?
Yeah. that was nuts. Thanks, Gazza. Thanks, boys. Thank you. This man here is the reason that thing is so ridiculous. You've done well, mate. Thank you so much.
Oh, shit, I really
Oh man, that was insane.
No secrets in that one.
Oh mate. Thanks, Tony. That's Gaz Whiter's old man. Tony Whiter, absolute gun. You've got the best job here today, mate. Look at the lineup. It's only friggin' 10 AM.